On/standby button, timer button, control dial, display, display symbols, temperature and clock, shows the current set temperature or the set time. Selected power level. You can select 3 power levels: minimum, medium and maximum, with an extra function of maximum plus eco mode. Working power level. The thin bars below the selected power level that indicate the actual operating power. This can be less or equal to the selected power level. Timer function. The unit works via a preset daily timer program that can be altered to suit your needs. Key lock. Locks the display to stop accidental changes to the settings. Simply press and hold the dial and timer button to activate or deactivate. Power supply symbol. When the appliance is plugged in and switched on, this will remain on the display. Extra features. Brightness. The brightness level can be adjusted to the desired level. When the appliance is in standby, press the control dial for about 5 seconds. Turn the dial till the desired brightness is reached. Then press the dial to confirm. Buzzer sound. You can switch the sound on or off. When the appliance is in standby, press the control dial for about 5 seconds. First, press the timer button and then turn the dial to on or off. Changing the time. With the radiator powered on, press and hold the control dial button until the hour digits flash on the display. Turn the dial to set the hours and press to confirm. Repeat the process for minutes and the set time will be changed.